Hello everybody, this is the High Desert Gardener. If you're looking for a plant that is fragrant, long blooming, that is also winter hardy, then consider the Daphne Summer Ice. The fragrance of this plant isn't your typical flowery scent. Daphne Summer Ice smells more like candy. According to my son, this flower smells like blue raspberry lollipop. What's nice about this Daphne is that it blooms from spring to fall, so you can have this wonderful fragrance in your garden throughout the summer. It is sun hardy and dry tolerant, but the one thing to remember about Daphnes is that they need well-drained soil. I was told by the grower that this plant can be planted in any type of soil and that it will also do well in containers. This plant will do well planted in sun to par shade. When you first plant it, water it regularly, and then after the plant is established, then it is best to water deeply and less frequently. Dainty white flowers will adorn this shrub that grows anywhere between 3 to 6 feet tall and wide. When you first plant it, space it 4 to 6 inches apart. When you fertilize it, it is best to do frequent light applications better than heavy doses. You follow the directions on the package, but you apply the fertilizer around the drip line of the plant. The drip line is under the outermost branch tips and contains the feeder roots. This plant is hardy to zone 5, which means that it will do well to a temperature that's below -20 or -10 degrees Fahrenheit. In some areas, it will be a semi-evergreen plant, and all you have to do is just really kind of prune it or remove the yellow branches to make it look tidy and pretty again. With such a wonderful fragrance, I really thought that this plant would be easy to find, but it was not. I got this one online through a mail-order nursery. Now, this plant is very similar to Daphne Carol Mackie. The leaves look the same, they're variegated, but the difference is that the Daphne Summer Ice, the leaves are longer and they feel thinner, whereas the Carol Mackie feels thicker, has a thicker feel to it. The one thing to know about Daphnes in general is that once you plant them, they do not do well if you move them. So whatever you do, choose the space correctly, look around, think about whether it has a lot of sun or too much wind, because my suggestion is once you plant it, just leave it there and let it be. They're really, really finicky little plants. And they have a reputation for just dying out of the blues for no apparent reason. But this plant smells amazing. And it's been my experience that if you just kind of let it be, don't touch it, just take care of it, fertilize it when needed, and don't make too much fuss about it, it does really, really well. So this is the Daphne Summer Ice. If you want to find out more about Daphnes or fragrant flowers or plants, I have other videos in my channel that you should check out. I would love if you leave me a comment below, and I would really appreciate if you like this video. I hope that you also subscribe to my channel and come back to see more exciting videos.